Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix CapCut not working. So the first thing that we should do is to force close CapCut and also restart our device. So to do that, you have, if like CapCut is open like that, you have to swipe up and swipe up again to close the app. And also after that, restart your device, because when you do like that, you are like trying to fix temporary app memory or GPU related glitches, and like you can let your phone be closed for 2 or 3 minutes and open it again and try to use the app again. The second thing that you can try is to see if CapCut needs to be updated. You have to go to the Play Store, and after that look for CapCut and check if it tells you like open, or it tells you like the app needs an update, and if the app needs an update, you have to update it. Another thing that you have to do is to try to free up some storage. Go to settings, and after that go to general and check your iPhone storage. And why we are doing this? Because when you don't have enough storage, sometimes the apps that you are using start crashing or start like showing you some errors. So it's essential that you leave always at least 10 gigabytes of free storage on your phone to like let your apps work properly. The second solution is to check on CapCut if the errors that you are having are errors related to only one project or errors for all the projects. Because sometimes when you delete the media related to that project and try to use it again or to open the project again, you will see an errors because the CapCut application will not find the original media on your phone. So you have to check like your actual project and try to start a new one and see if the error is still there or not. And if the error is still there, the last solution is to delete CapCut and install it again. And to delete it, you have to long press on it, click on remove app, and after that go to the App Store and install the app again. I hope that you like this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.